All right, here. And you know what? This has definitely got to be, something big, something bold. Especially if today is, I guess they call National Burger Day. And you know what? We have to go to, just for convenience and, for the deals and limited time offers, I had to go back to one of my favorite, you know, fast food burger joints. And you know what? Here, got a couple things going on this time. Let's get a thumbnail, though. But before we go any further, please also hit that big subscribe button down below. And then ring the notification bell. And also leave that thumbs up. And let's dig in. Well, on this here. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Robbie P2 here, and as always, if you see that hashtag Robbie P2 family, I want everybody, say that in the comments, or say that in the chat if you're seeing this live during the premiere. Welcome to, I guess, we'll do this. We'll still title it hashtag Mukbang Monday, even though you're really seeing this this premiering more on a Tuesday, because you know what, today is instead of Taco Tuesday. Today you're seeing us on National Burger Day. And of course, you know what? We're back at Carl's Jr., even though we're just here, hashtag Fast Food Friday, to try another version of their one of the limited time offerings that's back on the menu. So last Friday we did just a single El Diablo burger, which has the beef patty, the jalapeno coins, the jalapeno poppers, the bacon, and the habanero sauce. Well, we're on a regular burger bun. We're going to take that up a few levels and do the Big Angus El Diablo, which has the Angus beef patty, which is like 80% pure, which is like 80-20 ground beef. And same toppings, got the, if you look down here, there's some jalapeno coins. You got pepperjack cheese, jalapeno poppers, got the bacon and the habanero ranch sauce. We also added the pickles to it, and I think it's on a brioche bun. And you know what? Also, I'm gonna do the El Diablo fries, which is their natural cut fries, covered in some melted cheese, the spicy habanero ranch sauce, and the jalapenos. So now, if the single El Diablo got a 10 out of 10, this definitely should get a 10 out of 10. There's no doubt. I'm going to pay like $14 for this meal, which also came with a medium Coke, which may need it to, put some of the heat out. But let's first off, do a jalapeno popper. Mm-hmm. Which is a side on its own on Carl's Jr. menu. But that definitely brings the heat. It's a good way to start now. Enough waiting. Enough talk. Let's dig in. Okay, here. The Angus beef, real nice, juicy, got a thick patty, 1/3 pound. This is definitely for the carnivores. Tell you what, really, we should just call this hashtag Mukbang Tuesday. All right, because this is National Burger Day. So I think there's a whole bunch of people on YouTube reviewing their favorite burgers or their take on a burger. Just to give in. And I tell you, we're already halfway through this burger. And it's excellent. And all that here. Now, I'm try a piece of Angus beef by itself here. Oh, this is definitely the pricier beef patty, though. And a little more juicy. I mean, the regular beef patties are also pretty good. Nice char-broiled. Kind of like that backyard barbecue, like grill taste. So, normally doesn't come with pickles. I asked them to be added on there. That's awesome. So overall, this is another 10 out of 10, you know? Of course, it really should be. It looks so promising. Of course, as for the Angus beef, no other fast food burger chain I could think of really has that, or uses it, or even offers it. I mean, they probably used to at a time, just because I guess Angus was a trend, like way back in the late 2000s here. I think, of course, McDonald's and Burger King definitely had it. I mean, remember when McDonald's had the Angus third pounders? Burger King tried it with a Chef's Choice burger, something like that. And Carl's Jr. in my time, they've had it since they've definitely had Angus burger since 2000s. Of course, they've gone under different names here. As I recall, they used to call them the $6 burger, something like that. Thick burger, kind of along with Hardee's, which is a sister company of Carl's Jr., by the way. Considering that the Carl's Jr. I'm at right now, here, which is near my house, is a former Hardee's. It's still got the Hardee's style and all, like the retro style on the outside. So, needless to say, but let's get back in the burger, because this thing is definitely delicious. Here's what it looks like after a few bites. And also, like that brioche bun, definitely stands out. Only thing is, I wish it was I wish Carl's Jr. would make this thing permanent, you know? I mean, it'd be nice. I mean, this is definitely, like I say, it's like with Carl's Jr.'s latest thing, need burger, get burger. Well, definitely go ahead. If you can handle the heat, you definitely gotta get the Big Angus El Diablo. Or if you don't have that big of an appetite, I still recommend the single El Diablo as well. Anything El Diablo, y'all gotta get it. So, it's a 10 out of 10. Right there. I'm gonna try the El Diablo fries. Because I didn't realize, when I filmed Fast Food Friday, I didn't even realize that they had these available. So now, we're gonna try it here in the mukbang format. It is their, yep, as I mentioned here, it's their usual natural cut French fry. It's melted cheddar cheese, habanero ranch sauce, and jalapenos on top here. So not a complete mess, which is not bad. Regular price on these El Diablo fries like $3.79. A little bit pricey. Don't get a whole lot. But I figured that $14 I quoted earlier that I paid for this whole meal, that includes like the upcharge to try these. Not bad. I mean, the jalapenos definitely bring the heat. The ranch sauce, it's pretty good. So overall, I'm gonna say 9 out of 10 for the El Diablo fries. I mean, nice to see Carl's Jr. Finding more ways to, use their French fries and all that. But I just a little sidetrack you. No fork needed. Yeah, right. So, like I say, Carl's Jr., they know to make a mess. It's a good mess, but hey. And for those of you watching, I want to see what you guys have. If you do have a YouTube channel yourself and you're doing this National Burger Day thing, I want to see your guys' videos on this here. So let's see. Former members of the Foodie Federation, I want to see you guys do a video for National Burger Day. So, you guys hear me? If you're watching this, let's see. Marty Kaufman, Southern Snack, Chuck's Food Reviews and more, Gary 20O. Let's see here. And of course, Joy's World Tour, Freddie Foodie King, an Outlaws generation. Hope to see you guys upload something for National Burger Day and all that here. But now, for you, the viewers, this is the end of our little mukbang. Thank you for making it this far. Cheers to you all. And if you're brand new to my channel, please hit the big subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell. And please choose all notifications. You don't want to miss out on anything. And, oh, wait, there's one more person we should call out. I'll see. I mean, even though it's probably not going to be National Burger Day by the time it gets this, but, well, maybe we'll see if that, Troll Slayer guy. You know, he looks like me and wears that Troll Slayer t-shirt with a picture of me on it. See him do his take on the Carl's Jr. El Diablo and see if we can maybe raise the spiciness level to it even higher. Ugh. That's if he even dares. Alright? But, let's see. Thank you for making this far in. Let's go and close this out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And please leave hashtag RobbieP2Family as well. And also, if there's something you'd like to see on my channel, please open up that description. And so you can see how you can reach out to me. Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, or email. All that info will be there. There's also going to be a link to the Robbie P2 fan shop, so you can get some of that awesome Robbie P2 merch, like this hat here. And there's also... Or you can also reach out to me on Cameo for like a personal shout out. You know, I think Memorial Day's coming as well here. And that's the whole thing, I think, behind National Burger Day. It signifies like the start of like traditional backyard summer barbecues and all that. All right, that's about it. So as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay positive. Your boy, Robbie P2, out.